This is our pH test. pH is an important indicator of water quality because it's a measurement of the water's acidity. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. Pure water has a neutral pH of 7. pH values lower than 7 are acidic, like lemon juice or vinegar, and pH values higher than 7 are alkaline, like soapy water or an ammonia-based cleaning product. Aquatic life have adapted to a specific pH level, and we typically like to see a value between 6.5 up to 9. And if the pH of their habitat is altered, they could die, stop reproducing, or migrate away. This test could indicate if any pollution could be in our water that might harm our aquatic life. Some examples of pollution that can change the pH level could be acid rain from auto exhaust or other air pollutants, pollution from accidental spills, agriculture runoff, which could be pesticides or cow manure, and even sewer overflows can change the pH level. Have you ever gotten shampoo in your eyes? Oh, it can sting, and it's really uncomfortable. Imagine if you were a fish and your eyes and your scales burned all the time. Would you want to stay in that environment? Young fish and insect larvae are sensitive to a lower pH, but extreme levels on either end of the scale can be deadly to most aquatic life. A healthy pH level for our aquatic life is between 6.5 up to 9. For this test, you will need the single foil packet and the test tube. So you're going to carefully peel back the foil for this pH tablet, but I don't want you to take the tablet out because this tablet is crumbly. So you're going to peel back that foil, get it ready, keep it in its bubble, and then you can open up your test tube. You're going to take your test tube and you'll take the top off your test tube. Just like with the dissolved oxygen test, you're going to hold it by the neck at the top and you're going to dip your test tube into your beaker of water and fill it all the way up. Now you may have to tilt your test tube and your beaker to fill it all the way to the top. Once you have it full, remember that 10 milliliter mark, you're going to need a bit of an air bubble in your test tube. So you're going to take your finger, hold it on the side, and tap it on the side of your beaker and a couple drops of water will jump out. Do it a couple times, look for the 10 milliliter mark, and once you've gotten it close-ish to the 10 milliliter mark, now you can carefully pour the content of that pH tablet into your test tube. Then you put your lid back on. Now this is my favorite part. You're going to want to take your test tube and you're going to flip it over. It's a pretty instantaneous chemical reaction. So you're going to flip it back, flip it over, flip it back, give it a little shake, make sure all that chemical tablet is dissolved. Then you'll place that test tube on your beaker lid with your dissolved oxygen vial and we can move on to the last test.